Assalamualaikum. I'm Fakhrul Sajib. This is Java Tutorial 11 for absolute beginners. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to use if, else, else statement. Why do we need if, else statement? Let's start. If else statement is used when we need to check multiple conditions. We'll do one example about exam grade based on mark obtained by students. And marks will suppose 77 if marks greater than equal 80 and marks less than equal 100. Print A grade. To print ASOUT and tab A grade, grade, A grade. This is logical AND operator. In Java tutorial 10, I have shown you how to use conditional operator AND. Please watch this if you do not understand AND operator. Okay, save this. Now copy this, else if marks equal 70 and marks less than 80 will be B grade. Copy, paste, marks 60 less than 70, that is C grade. Copy, paste, marks 50 less than 60, that is D grade. Else to print SOUT tab given if or fail. F means fail grade. Save the project. Now if we execute the project, what will be the output? What do you think? Pause the video and write the output in the comment sections. I will check. If you look at the condition if, else, if or else, which condition is true? If you look at the marks, here is 77, 77 greater than equal 80, condition is false. But 77 is less than 100, this condition is true. However, first look at the AND operator. If you watch my Java tutorial 10 where I discuss logical AND actually that returns true if both statements are true. Here this condition is true but this condition is false. 77 is not greater than or equal to 80. That's why this statement will not be printed. Therefore, A grade will not be printed here. If you go there, else if marks 77 greater than 70, condition is true, and 80 is greater than 77, that means this statement will be printed. Let's check. Run the project. B grade. That means we have got the output B grade. That means as soon as one of the condition is met, the corresponding set of statements get executed. Rest of the if else if else is ignored. If none of the condition is met, then the final else will be executed. If you give here 41, save the project, run the project, you will see that fail F grade because none of the condition is met here. Then we've got this output, fail grade, F grade. If you check here 41, this condition is false, this condition is also false, this condition is also false, this condition is also false. That's why we have got the output F fail grade, because none of the condition is met, then final else will be executed. Suppose if we give here 65 or say 69, if you look at here mark 69, this condition is true. 69 is greater than 60 and 70 is greater than 69. That means C grade will be printed. Let's check C grade. I hope you understand now how to use if, else statement. That's all for today. If you want to learn more about Java, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Stay safe.